a vast, big word, not a teaching means review is also a sort of teaching for what we are here. So first of all, I would like to give 3 points that what is the benefit of coming over here, your personal benefit. First thing, you have to de-learn the outdated, de-learn and learn the new thing. So your knowledge will be updated. Knowledge is power. That is your first personal gain. Second thing, networking. I have given my visiting card to you all to connect with you, to improve my network. Increasing network means increasing social capital, financial capital, knowledge capital, likewise social capital. So networking is another benefit which you will derive from here. And third is the capacity building. Today you will get so many types of input, knowledge, and that will increase your capacity. So if you are here for 3 days, you will gain 3 personal benefits: new knowledge, networking, and capacity building. So I would like to come on our first keyword, dynamic. Things are changing very fast due to increasing adoption of technology in all walks of life. So that is also true with the SAGS program and project. Okay. So old method, old tricks and techniques is not applicable. So what we need to do, that we have to learn our outdated knowledge, our outdated practices, to create a space in our mind by de-learning, which is not going to pay you because it is outdated and ineffective. And you have to learn, de-learn and learn. So this is not the static. If you are de-learning and learning, that is the dynamic, not static. The day of statics has gone. Every day things are changing very fast, and we will have to learn very fast. Otherwise we will be not able to cope up with the situations. So first word, whole thing is here for 3 days is to how to synchronize with the dynamism of the changing situation, dynamics of changing situations. So statics mind people should please, it is my sincere request to change the software by a dynamic software. Remove the static software. Second point, my second keyword is, some people say कि I used to talk dynamic because I have recently written a book, Dynamic DM. So some people say I used to talk word dynamic because I have written, but it is very relevant. I am myself very dynamic. Do the same thing differently. Never go on a path which you have chosen before. Do the same thing differently if you want a success in your life. That is the environment, climate around us. Now second point is the governance process. Governance. What we are doing? We are dealing with the governments, program or projects. So each program and project, we plan it, we implement it to get some desired outcomes and objective. That is the issue this institution is doing. And likewise all other institutions, other departments are doing, medical, health, either agriculture or social welfare. There are 80 departments in government of UP. Everybody is managing project, dealing with, doing governance with projects and programs, and we are dealing with the AIDS related programs and projects. So you people talk too much about the indicators. क्यों आप लोग इंडिकेटर की बात करते हो ना कि नहीं करते हो? हैं? करते हैं. You people, we people talk too much about the indicators. मैं आप लोगों से जानना चाहता हूँ. I would like to know. You tell me some indicators of the governance, because if you do not know the governance, which are the tools and techniques and tricks to apply on your this science project and programs, how you will get the result. Our duty to improve the governance to good governance, governance to good governance, and convert this good governance into smart governance. So what is the indicators of the good governance, characteristics of the good governance? Anybody can tell? Anyone? Yes.
Human resources.
Anybody else? Anyone else?
Accountability.
अरे यार हम डरे हैं, आप डर के बोल रहे हो, जरा तेजी आवाज में बोलो। डरना तो मैंने पहले ही एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, मैं डरा हूँ यार। आप बोलो बढ़िया, क्या बताएं? क्यों?
Accountability से.
Accountability, absolutely, very good, बहुत बढ़िया। So I am not going into the details of the governance. This is a governance, good governance, smart governance vary widely with time, space, situation. इसकी कोई there is no fixed definition of the governance and good governance, but most widely accepted governance definition, good governance definition, has been given by the United Nations, and I have circulated a paper, and this PDF of this 2-page definition is circulated in your WhatsApp group also. Please go through it. क्या इसके it prescribe 8 indicators for the good governance. Okay, so what you have to do in your this project, program, whatever it may be, you have to improve these 8 indicators, and these 8 indicators are, I think you have one paper on each table, that is the participation, rule of law, second one, transparency third, responsiveness fourth, and consensus oriented, equity and inclusiveness, effectiveness and efficiency, accountability. These 8 characteristics we have to improve in each program and project to get the desired results. That is our job, ultimate job. Okay, but mostly people do not know the characteristic of the governance. So I would like that you please try to increase all 8 indicators in every program and projects to get the outcome, to get the target set by the NACO, set by the UP SATs or any SATs. Okay, so my second keyword was governance. Okay, my third keyword is NGO, non-governmental organization. This regional review meeting is targeted TI program. In TI program, we are doing this work through NGO. If you will not know the NGO, how they are doing, what they are doing, what is their problem, how to improve them, so we will be not able to harness the capacity and capability of the NGO in the favor of the programs and projects. So third point is the NGO. As I said by the outset that I have studied in America about the NGO, I am in love with the NGO. So we must know in details about the NGO's functioning and working. And in the last, we do have 32 state AIDS control societies. In some state 2 and mostly have 1. So among 32 AIDS control societies, there must be a competition for the good functioning, for the good working, for the good personality, for the good expertise. If that will not be done, then वो कहते हैं ना हर धान 22 पसेरी. If one is doing, he is okay. If one is not doing, he is okay. Then there will be no good results. We cannot expect good results. So in the night we were discussing during the dinner, क्यों है ना? So I have 2-3 points that we must select one NGO from each state, and they should be called at Government of India level, and they should be given 1-day training and a appreciation certificate letter, so that there should be a competition among the NGOs. हमारे यहाँ कितने NGO हैं यूपी में? 89. If one will get the certificate and recognition that he has been called in the NACO and in office, होता है ना क्या, तो other 88 will come in the competition that we must go beyond this fellow. So this should be done at government of India level, at government of UP level, state level, and we will do this. रामनाथ, आप 89 में से एक छांटिए और करके जो अच्छा वाला है उसको लाइए, उसको दीजिए. तो this will put in place a good competition for the betterment. Okay. How we will decide which is good one, which is bad one? We must make a format. नाको इसे फॉर्मेट बनाने में, नंबरिंग करने में बहुत आगे. मैंने देखा खूब बढ़िया फॉर्मेट बनाता, खूब बढ़िया नंबर जोड़ता, किसी को कोई डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं देता. दे आर वेरी गुड एट द फॉर्मेटिंग. सेकंड पॉइंट, ये जो हम लोगों का एनजीओ वी डू बाई ईयरली, ट्वाइस इन अ ईयर, वो वी कॉल एनजीओज इन some good hotel like this, and we do very formal evaluation that needs revisit. ये कब का बना हुआ है? ये जो वर्तमान वाला है, ये जो आप लोग बना है, ये फॉर्मेट को रीफॉर्मेट जरूरत है, रिविजिट की जरूरत है, अपडेशन की जरूरत है. दैट इज नॉट वेरी इफेक्टिव इन माई ओपिनियन, व्हाट आई हैव सीन इन यूपी. तो आई रिक्वेस्ट नाको एंड ऑल दैट कि इसको जरा फिर से इसको उस पन्ने को फाड़ के फेंक दो, नया डिजाइन करो विथ न्यू इन्वायरमेंट, है ना. सो दैट ये एक साल में जो 2 टाइम्स इवेल्युएशन ऑफ द एनजीओ ये और इफेक्टिव हो जाए. प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. वी आर यूजिंग मेनी मीडिया, मास मीडिया, टीवी, अखबार, आजकल वो यूट्यूब वाला आ गया है ना, और सोशल मीडिया. देयर मीडिया हैज ए ड्रास्टिक चेंज इन देयर एवरीथिंग. सो फोक मीडिया, इन माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन, एज ए डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट, एज ए डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर, व्हाट आई हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड, फोक मीडिया is the best media for our this organization. No other media is having impact and efficiency equal to our folk media. So how to increase folk media in IEC? That we will have to plan, and that we will have to change our IEC things. That is my third suggestions. And one more thing in the night, TI division must have a webinar, monthly one webinar online, okay? And in UP we will have to start. For example, we have 89 NGO. We will take by 20 the offer. What you have done better, good one. What is your innovation? What is your better, something like good one. By 20 you make a committee of 3-4 officers. Let us suppose you got 20 entries. Choose the best 5 out of 20. And in this event, allot them 5 minutes. So 25 in 25 minutes they will speak their innovation, their initiative, their good things, and in rest 20 minutes question and answer. So there will be a inbuilt competition, and we do not require any extra money for this webinar, online, free. We do have all the facility. So this, because in this program NGO is the backbone. How to energize them, how to bring a competition among them, how to update their knowledge, this all required through these techniques, by promotion, by recognition, by award, by webinar, by giving them different type of inspirations. So I think this is all about, and I have brought some book, and I am telling you, as I have told at very outset, whole thing, our job is to manage the projects and programs. Our job is to know the governance of all the projects, programs of all the departments, 80 डिपार्ट. आप मुझे अभी मेडिकल में है तो हम मेडिकल का प्रोग्राम प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं. हम कल आलू बेच रहे थे कृषि विभाग में, सब्जी, डीडीए मंडी थे तो वहाँ सब्जी का प्रोग्राम कर रहे थे. सोशल वेलफेयर में थे तो वहाँ तो हमारे पास वो रिंच है, ट्रिक्स एंड टेक्निक्स है प्रोग्राम मैनेजमेंट का, गवर्नेंस का, ठीक है। तो ये जो हमने किताब लिखी है टोटल प्रोग्राम के गवर्नेंस का ही है, बट इट इंक्लूड्स नॉट ओनली मेडिकल, इसमें एक एग्रीकल्चर का है, एक मेडिकल का है, तो एक प्लास्टिक रिमूवल का है, डिफरेंट का है, क्योंकि ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट मैंने तो ये किताब मैं अभी आप लोगों को कुछ जो पार्टनर आए हैं उनको दूंगा, और जो हमारे ये जो है नाको से आए हैं उनको दूंगा, और ये जो उधर वाले हैं सिक्किम, मेघालय, आसाम, उनको नहीं दूंगा। क्यों नहीं दूंगा? हाँ हाँ, आपको चाहिए क्योंकि आप हिंदी नहीं जानता है इसलिए नहीं देगा। नहीं